Markets don't move on data, they move on language. Narrative is the architecture of power. If identity as infrastructure is about becoming the system, then narrative architecture is about installing language that programs reality. So pay attention to these. First, the market is a story engine. Capital chases clarity. Investors, customers, talent, they all align with whoever can make them feel the future first. Tesla didn't sell cars, it sold the inevitability of sustainable dominance. OpenAI didn't sell AI, it sold the myth of alignment between intelligence and humanity. Your job? Translate your strategy into story logic. Two, architect the core narrative. Every powerful narrative has three parts: conflict. What broken system are you here to replace? Creation. What new world are you constructing? Credibility. Why are you the inevitable architect? Use these to craft your master statement. We are building new order by replacing old inefficiency through unique system. And I give you an example here. We are building sovereign finance by replacing outdated banking with adaptive capital systems. That is not marketing, that is architecture. Three, build linguistic consistency. Your words must repeat like code. Use the same language across decks, posts, and even calls. Repetition builds familiarity. Familiarity builds trust. Trust attracts capital. If your story changes every quarter, your market reads volatility, and capital avoids volatility. Four, weaponize syntax. Every sentence is a leverage point. Swap try for deploy, swap launch for activate, swap help for elevate. Language is a stealth signaling tool. It communicates operational maturity before numbers do. Five, use case studies of narrative power. Elon Musk frames everything as missions, so investors feel like they are funding destiny. Ray Dalio uses principles instead of opinions, so his worldview became economic scripture. Each turned language into economic gravity. Six, the tactical application, that is the solutions. Now, do this now. Write your core statement using the three-part formula. Pick 5 recurring power phrases and integrate them across all comms. Remove weak verbs, replace with verbs of inevitability. Design a one-line myth. We exist to make it repeatable, then test it. If your words don't shift energy in the room, rewrite them. Language builds liquidity, and if your narrative moves emotion, it will move capital. Empires aren't funded, they are narrated into existence.